Welcome back my YouTube channel. The Maruti Suzuki Brezza is a popular compact SUV from Maruti Suzuki, known for its stylish design, fuel efficiency, and reliability. Initially launched as the Vitara Brezza in 2016, it received a major update in 2022, dropping the Vitara name and introducing significant design and feature enhancements. Design exterior. The Brezza sports a bold and muscular look, featuring a high bonnet, sharp LED headlamps, dual-tone alloy wheels, and LED tail lamps. It has a rugged stance, making it attractive to urban buyers looking for an SUV with a strong road presence. Engine performance. The 2024 Maruti Suzuki Brezza comes with a 1.5 litres K15C smart hybrid petrol engine that produces 103 PS power and 137 Nm torque. The SUV offers 5-speed manual and 6-speed automatic transmission options. The smart hybrid system improves fuel efficiency, and the car delivers a mileage of around 19.8 km/L, manual, and 19.3 km/L, automatic. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Maruti Suzuki has also introduced a CNG variant, which offers a 25.51 km/kg mileage, making it one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Interior features. The Brezza boasts a premium cabin with features like 9-inch Smart Play Pro Plus touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Arcamis tuned sound system, wireless charging, head-up display, HUD, electric sunroof. First in Maruti Suzuki SUVs. Cruise control. Rear AC vents, automatic climate control. The SUV has a spacious cabin, offering comfortable seating for 5 passengers, with adjustable seats and ample legroom. Safety features. The Brezza is equipped with 6 airbags, top variant, ABS with EBD, Electronic Stability Program, ESP, Hill Hold Assist, reverse parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera in higher variants. It has a strong safety record and is expected to score well in crash tests. Variants pricing. The Brezza is available in 4 variants: Lakh, and XI Plus, with prices ranging from a superscript 18.29 lakh to a superscript 114.14 lakh. Ex-showroom, Delhi. Conclusion. The Maruti Suzuki Brezza is a well-rounded compact SUV, offering a blend of performance, efficiency, modern features, and safety. It competes with Hyundai Venue, Tata Nexon, Kia Sonet, and Mahindra XUV 300 in the segment. With Maruti's reliability and a strong service network, the Brezza remains a top choice for compact SUV buyers in India.